Guys, got something special for you today, because today I would like to have a look at the George Corelius and Sons Special Virginia Filters from George A. Corelius. Now, this is a supposedly luxurious high-end cigarette which is made in Greece. And as you can see, these come from Mr. George A. Corelius. So let's have a look at this pack in detail. So looking at the pack in detail, what it says at the top there is George Corelius and Sons Superior Virginia Filters. And you've got some coins just there on the right hand side and 3 coins there on the left hand side. And what it says here is the blend of the finest tobaccos has a rich and characteristic flavour. And you've got the coat of arms just there. On the side, what it says is manufacturers and suppliers of finest cigarettes. On the bottom, these are made in Greece, as you can see. And you've got the all-important stats here on the side, which come in at 10 milligrams of tar, 0.9 milligrams of nicotine, and 9 milligrams of carbon monoxide. And what it says there is 20 luxury cigarettes, emphasizing the fact that these are, in quotes, luxurious. On the top, you've got the signature of Mr. Corelius. And on the back, you've got the warning label just there. Yeah, so that's George Corelius and Sons Superior Virginia Filters. So, quite a nice looking pack, I'm sure you will agree. But before we get these opened up, I just want to have a look at an old advert for George Corelius and Sons. So let's just have a look at that advert now. So let's get these opened up. And you've got a little write-up just there. And got the foil here which says Corellia. And that's what the cigarettes look like inside. Now, what's nice about these is that the foil is actually gold on the inside there. Nice reflective gold, which makes it all look rather luxurious. And also in the pack, what you get is a little insert like that, which gives you some information about the product. But what I'd like to do now is just quickly show you one of the filters in close-up. So let's have a look at that now. So I'm just going to show you a filter in close-up. Let's just take one of these out and just honing in on the filter. What it says on the filter there is Corellia Virginia filters. So quite a nice looking filter there. And these do have an amazing smell, really quality smell to them. So that was my look at the George Corelius and Sons Special Virginia filters, which are made in Greece. I hope you enjoyed that review, guys, and please come back for more.